Hi guys, I'm super excited because today we got Pororo snacks. It's super duper cool because we got 2 drinks and 1 cracker sets. And he's really famous in Korea. Oh yeah, I messed up. Korea. So let's just start opening. Finally got this open. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. The cloud's so cool. So now let's take a close look at these drinks. It has the blue one. And I think there's other flavors. I think there's more flavors than this. But I'm not sure though. How do I... Yeah. Am I closing it or opening it? Oh. What do I do with this? I think I have to drink it now. I don't know. I think now I have to do this. Oh my god. So guys, like you do have to take this off like this, and then you might notice there's like a wrap. Be careful with that. Make sure you have a paper towel under, because when you take that off, I got some of the things wet, like my paper here. Yeah, you don't want that happening to you. You know that. So it actually tastes really good. Actually, pretty good, actually. He has a weird face. I think he does like it, though. You like it? Ooh, I think I'm going to take a sip. Yeah, it's kind of like lemon milk. They're not apple-y like mine. I don't know why. The time to check out the best part of all. Oh my gosh! I think this and this should go together. Who do I get? Hey, you stole my cracker! Oh well. Who is this? I don't know. Let me look on the front. Who is this? Oh my gosh, who is he? I don't know who he is. Oh my gosh. Let me try with my drink. It tastes good. So guys, here's some of the crackers. I think there's more, but I'm not sure. I don't have this guy. I think not. Do we? I think not. So we're gonna add him right here. And here's the special ones. As you can see, he has a helmet. We've been thinking it's this one, since it kind of looks like a penguin, but no, it's this one. And it's actually a pretty good cookie. So let me take a bite so you can see the inside. They're really good. Yummy. When you eat this, you have to have a drink, right? Everybody knows that. Delicious. So, the little crackers like these and the other ones, but the one that I just took a bite of is really good, but with the drink it tastes better. Yum. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and leave this video a big thumbs up.